Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2003 Fleetwood Southwind 32 VS double slide Class A gas motorhome. Overall condition, 1 through 10, 10 being the best. This is definitely a 10. I think any dealer would agree with me. Go ahead and get started on the inside, show you the floor plan, and finish up the video by showing you the condition and the features on the outside. This coach has been waxed every year, extremely well maintained. Does have a brand new awning that I'll show you. This is pretty much fully loaded for the Southwind in 2003. There have been some significant upgrades that the owners have done to this coach just in the past couple of years. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Okay, this is a double slide Class A gas motorhome. First slide out is about 12 to 14 foot long. In the living room here, it's about 3 foot deep. This is a super slide. And you do have the boot dinette and the super slide, which breaks down into a bed. Easily sleep 2 grown adults. And then you do have the hide-a-bed mattress sleeper sofa here. And all your fabrics are in excellent condition. Pretty much showroom condition. Kind of zoom in on these colors, give you an idea of the color scheme. You do have day-night shades all throughout the coach. All the day-night shades seem to be in excellent condition. And you do have a beautiful, I believe they're calling this a cherry hardwood finish on the cabinets. You have a brushed nickel hardware. Lots of storage on this coach. Show off that couch. There is no sign of wear and tear on this coach at all. We're in 2018. This is a 2003, and I was amazed when I pulled up. So, a nice swivel chair, and it is a recliner. You do have a nice table that pops up and comes out for the swivel chair here. I'll show the cockpit here at the end. Okay, I do want to show you one of the upgrades, huge upgrades. Brand new linoleum. It's kind of a tile look. This was done a few years ago, and it looks like brand new. So, show you that kitchen, the countertops here, the solid surface Corian style countertops. They're not the laminate or the Formica tops. Lots of counter space. Huge double bowl stainless steel sink. Water filtration. Nice add-a-leaf extension for the countertop. Lots of cabinet space. You do have an oven. That's probably going to be maybe a 22-inch oven, which is the largest that they offer. Nice range lid cover, 3-burner gas cooktop. The front one's going to be a high output. Nice range lid cover. Oh, they did upgrade the. This used to be a mirror backsplash, and they took that off and put that mosaic tile look in. Microwave. This is actually a halftime oven. It's a convection oven, but some companies, I believe, call them a halftime oven. Sharp carousel range light here. Skylight in the kitchen. This does have dual AC units, and I believe they're going to be dual 13,500 BTU AC units. They're all ducted all the way through. Nice carpeted ceiling. I did check for water damage, and I did not find any issues with this coach whatsoever. Even checked around the slide outs. Do have the 8 cubic foot refrigerator, and it does have the optional ice maker. That was an option in 2003. And it's just turn it on. I've had it on already. Turn it on, and you can actually adjust the temperature setting, which is pretty nice. It's not preset like most of them. Before I forget, it does have home theater, surround sound speakers all throughout. Everything's all pretty much standard on this fully optioned out on this coach. Go into the hallway here. Nice pantry. Another pantry door there. Nice. Let's see what this is. Yeah, nice little drawer here. Let's see here. Just some more cabinets here. Nice hallway closet here. Huge closet. And the bedroom does have brand new carpet. At least the past couple of years they put all new carpet in, and it was all professionally done by an RV dealership. Go into the master bedroom here. Queen bed. Queen bed lifts up. There's storage up underneath, and this queen bed does slide out. That's going to be your second slide out. Huge closet, and it is cedar lined. And I do check all coaches for water damage up in the corners. I even check around the slide outs here. Check for any wrinkling in the wallpaper, any staining. Did not find any issues. This coach does have 2 new house batteries. Little place to put odds and ends. You do have plug-ins there, 12-volt hookup right there, and 110. Does have the old TV in the back here. Looks to be maybe a 13, maybe a 14-inch TV. Easily upgrade to a flat screen if you wanted to. Here's your slide out button for the bedroom slide out. I'm sorry. Here's your slide out button for the bedroom slide out. Reading light here. That's pretty nice. Nice pocket door for privacy. Beautiful coach. Foot flush porcelain toilet. It's a raised foot flush porcelain toilet. Vent fan in the bathroom. Nice skylight in the shower. Okay, here's your central command here. Start over here, the generator. I'm sorry, the batteries here. Battery voltage on the main and the auxiliary battery. It shows you where you are on that, and then you on your LP tanks tells you where you are. Looks like full LP tanks, black tank or toilet tank. Let's see, gray tank. That's going to be your sink and shower, and freshwater tank. Not sure what the size is, but anyway, you get the idea. There's your climate control area here. That's easy to figure out. As I said, it's fully loaded with the dual ACs. Inside, this coach is 1 through 10, 10 being the best. Definitely, it's showroom condition. It's a 10. Go up here in the cockpit area. This coach is sitting on the 8.1 liter Workhorse chassis. And you do have the flex steel seats. Beautiful ultra leather flex steel seats. Show that flex steel badge there. There is no wear and tear on these seats whatsoever. And obviously they swivel. Show off the co-pilot seat here too. It's amazing the condition on this coach. Usually the pilot seat would usually show some wear and tear, but it's showroom. Okay, sit in the cockpit here. Show off that Workhorse badge. 8.1 liter. Let's see here. And currently the mileage is, zoom in on the mileage there, 29,953 miles currently on this coach. And there's your, I believe that's going to be the manual leveling system on this. 4-point manual leveling jacks on this coach. There's your boost button. Ties your house battery and chassis battery together just in case your chassis battery is dead. And it gives you a little boost. These are your fans right here, and they do work. It looks like it's got high setting and low settings. You do have an overdrive button here. These are your headlights. These are, not sure, these are going to be different lights. These are your power heated remote mirrors. I believe that was an option. Backup camera, and I do believe it has audio, so somebody's out back, they can holler to you. They won't be able to hear you, but you can hear them when they tell you to stop. This is stereo, that's easy to figure out. Dash air is cold, I checked it out. Well, here's your button for your generator to turn it on. A little button for turn off your radio. Let's see the generator hours, let's check that out. Right now, 150 hours on the generator, and it is the upgraded Onan 5500 generator. Standard was 4,000. Nice cup holder here, engine access to maintain your engine there. Nice little area to put odds and ends. Nice workstation here. Got a little port here to put your plugs, and then you got 110 right there, and let's see here, yeah, you got 12 volt underneath there too, so you can charge smart devices. All your carpet is in excellent condition. This is all original up here. They told me they've never cleaned it, so it's just amazing the condition on this coach. Do want to point out, got to point this out, this was an option. Does have the driver's door there. That was an option. Your TV, that's the only thing that is wrong with this coach. It's not working. So if you wanted to upgrade, definitely flat screen is what I would do. Lots of storage up here, lots of storage there. Again, I do check for water damage up there. This is equipped with the satellite, and I'll show you that. It's a manual satellite dish up on the roof. It looks like you got the VCR, which was I think that was an option in 03, believe it or not. And let's see here, speed this video up. Oh, reading lights above the pilot and co-pilot seat, or map light. Here. All the lights work. There's your manual satellite adjustment. More storage there. Okay, I think I got everything inside here. Let's go outside. Coach's overall length is 32 feet 10 inches. As I said, the coach has been maintained every year and waxed. Kind of shoot down the side here. Show off that high gloss finish, and I believe they're calling it a gel coat finish. All the decals are in excellent condition. There's your Workhorse badge right there, 8.1 liter. There's your 32V. Let's go ahead and start showing some of this storage here. There are no rock chips on the skirting here. 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, flip switch on inside, and you're 10-15 minutes you're ready to go. Tires here, the rear tires, they were purchased in 2014 I believe, but the manufacturing date on these tires right there in the circle, 35th week of 2014. Steel simulator wheels, kind of look like the Alcoa aluminum wheels. Let's see here, yep, these are the 19.5 tires. And these are not cheap tires, these are the Michelin's. Best you can get for an RV. Show off that skirting, so there's no rock chips. More storage for tools. More storage there. You do have a double power step right there. Again, I just did say the awning is new. It's a 16 foot power I'm sorry, manual awning, but the awning fabric is new. Shoot down the side here, kind of give you an idea of the condition on the outside. You do have the full awning package on the slide outs. I did check this coach for delamination, which is the bubbling you get on the outside of the coach, usually caused by water damage. Did not find any issues whatsoever. Show off those decals. Beautiful rear molded fiberglass cap, ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof in case you want to access your 2 dual AC units. I'm not sure if this is coming with it. It's like a Blue Ox, I believe, tow system for a towed or a tow car. But I will tell you this: it's 5,000 pound towing capability, 7-way pigtail, nice mud flap or guard, rock guard. Keeps rocks from coming up on your tow vehicle. Show up underneath here, show off that chassis up underneath. There's your 75-gallon fuel cell on this coach. As I said, it does have 4-point leveling system on this coach. There's 2 of your 4 jack legs right there. Beautiful coach. There's your backup camera. Back up here, show off that back end there. Does have the window awning package also. This coach is fully loaded for 2003. Coach is 30 amp service. Your water bay here, show you a little black tank sewer flush. Rinses out your toilet tank. You don't have to drag a hose inside anymore, so that's definitely a nice feature. Cable, TV, hookups, that's easy to figure out. There's your water pump, so you don't have to go inside and flip on a water pump switch when you're winterizing. Outside shower, hot and cold running water, sprayer faucet, easy to figure out. There's your city water hookups right here. Low point drain valves right here, easy to winterize. Here's your water pump in case you ever have any issues. There's your dump valves, all enclosed in this compartment, so it's actually protected, and I do believe this has tank heaters on it. Have to ask the owner on that one. And I believe all your baggage doors are all insulated. Show those baggage doors. There's your Southwind, Fleetwood Southwind badge there. Show off that decal while the sun's hitting it just right. And again, the rear tires are 35th week of 2014 on the manufacturing date. Excellent condition. On the super slide in the living room, your baggage doors come out, so you don't have to break your back getting up underneath the slide out there. It's nice and convenient. This is a storage compartment here, and storage compartment there. Speed up this video a little bit, kind of give you an idea of what this coach looks like on the back side. Again, you do have a slide out awning package, the full window awning package, and of course the door option. Driver's door, heated power mirrors. Definitely a beautiful coach. Your front tires, before I forget, believe, show off that manufacturing date. There it is. Again, they're Michelin's, and all these tires were purchased at the same time, but the front ones, they're matching. 28th week. Let's see if I can get that in my finger. Where's my finger? There we go. 28th week of 2014. Fronts are matching and the rears are matching. Okay, I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. Oh, there's your satellite I was talking about, the manual satellite dish right there. Anyway, if you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date for RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.